Okay, now moving on to another big story that went viral yesterday. In yet another attack on frontline policemen fighting COVID-19, locals in Howrah in West Bengal attacked the police who were trying to enforce the lockdown in the Tikiapara area of Howrah district in West Bengal. This after hundreds of locals spilt out onto the streets like a mob in the area for shopping, totally flouting social distancing and lockdown norms. As the Howrah police and Rapid Action Force tried to contain the situation, the crowd turned angry. A large mob poured onto the streets, as you can see in these pictures, chased the policemen, threw bricks and stones, vandalized two police vehicles. Remember, Howrah district has been declared a red zone, and that's even more why these images are so shocking. I want to go straight across to India today is Manogya Loiwal, who's been tracking the story closely. Manogya, we understand that at least 14 people have been arrested, but of course the number of people we can see in this mob in Howrah is much larger than 14. And Mamata Banerjee has also come out to say that a small incident is being exaggerated. It's incredible that she thinks that these images suggest a small incident. We're just bringing Manogya back, but these pictures have led to widespread condemnation. The West Bengal police has said that nobody will be spared, but incredibly, only 14 people have been arrested. Manogya, tell us a little bit more about the investigation. Only 14 people arrested so far.
Well, the Howrah Police Commissioner Kunal Agarwal has confirmed that 10 people have been arrested, 14 were detained, and that brings also to a different undersection that they have applied in this case. But what is more important is the politics that has been brewing on this entire issue.
Yes.
With one after the other, the videos going viral, with BJP claiming on what is the action by the TMC government, and Mamata Banerjee hitting it out, stating that everyone needs time for responding to every such kind of incidents, and of course also making it absolutely clear in a scathing attack at BJP that it is not the time for politics, also ensuring that the people on the ground get the maximum benefit. What you saw yesterday, you could call it one of those incidents that have not just raised question on the entire administration,
Yes,
but have also now resulted in deployment of additional forces on ground.
Manogya, thank you very much. Keep tracking that story. We'll get an update from you in just a short while. Shocking. Well over a month after the lockdown has begun. That's the kind of respect you see many locals having, not just for lockdown norms and coronavirus norms, but healthcare workers and the police who are only there to protect citizens in the country.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.